Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm Suzanne.
I'm Tom, and today we're here in beautiful Summerland, and we're going to explore the Trout Creek Trestle. The trestle is behind us over here. It's approximately 650 feet long. It was built in 1915 approximately, and it sits above the Trout Creek Canyon floor at about a level of 250 feet in elevation, making it one of the highest Kettle Valley Railway Trestle on the line. Behind us you can see railway track, which is the last bit of railway track remaining. It's approximately 12 kilometers long, and in Summerland they operate the Kettle Valley Steam Train, which operates on this line, and it starts at Prairie station and heads over to the trestle that's just behind us here.
So follow us along on this adventure today. We hope you like this video. Please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and comment down below. We really appreciate your feedback. Thanks everybody.
Thanks everyone. So we're gonna hike a little bit on the railway bed. All right. Hi. So we just walked a little portion of the Kettle Valley Railway Trail. It heads to Penticton down that way and back towards where Suzanne is right now. That's Giant's Head Mountain in the background, and Lake Okanagan is just to the left of me over here, and you can see the snow-capped mountains in the background. Just look so beautiful out here today. Well, I better catch up to Suzanne. She's got a good head start on me.
Oh yeah, that's a long way down there. Do you want a long look over the edge? Okay, let's look. This trestle is 650 feet long from that end to that end. And it's 250 feet above the canyon floor. Holy smokes, that's far down. Look at that. Long ways up, so 250 feet up from the deck.
We're here at Prairie Valley Station, which is the Kettle Valley Steam Train, and the station is just over here behind me. From Prairie Valley Station to the Trout Creek Trestle is approximately 12 kilometers in length, so roughly about 9 miles. And this is the original track of the Kettle Valley Railway, and they have some pretty cool features here at the railway yard. They've got a nice building here to house a beautiful steam locomotive and train cars. You can host a number of people or guests that board the trains and take the ride along the Kettle Valley Railway. Very cool place. We also stopped by a unique winery in Summerland. There's many here, but this one is called Dirty Laundry Vineyard. So we're looking forward to seeing what's inside. Okay, this I've never seen this before. A winery with a ticket booth.
This is like our shack.
Oh, it's a winery with a shack. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
That's cool. We're at Dirty Laundry here, and we're trying to figure out what are we going to do. You could do tastings. We've browsed their wine selection already.
I think we're gonna pick out a couple of their whites, one of their rosés, and maybe one of their reds.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Perfect. So we decided on getting the Hush White. We've had this before. It's awesome.
Yeah, and we're gonna try the Hush Rosé.
And the rosé.
So this one is the unoaked Chardonnay, and we haven't tried this one, but it's one of our favorite wines.
It's been a real pleasure to visit Dirty Laundry Winery in Summerland, and that concludes this segment.
Hi guys, so we're down here at Trout Creek, and this is the same creek that we saw from on top of the trestle, and it's much calmer here, and it's flowing out into Okanagan Lake. So we're on a trail here, and it's called Sun-Oka Beach Park, and so we're going to take you on the trail and show you where the creek flows into the lake. Summerland is the only section of the KVR that is preserved and is
Car. Oh man.